an exceptional university with divine, peaceful, and spiritually vibrant ambience. Proud to be DSVBN.
A university with a difference, unique educational paradigm, life management curriculum, scientific spirituality teaching, sessions on Gita and Dhyan, social internship, and a lot more. Proud to be DSVBN.
A non-conventional center for higher learning, education and research. Proud to be DSVBN.
Sanskriti Center for Incubation and Training, promoting startups and entrepreneurial culture among students. Proud to be DSVBN.
Global Expansion International Relation Office, that's IRO, facilitates students with the necessary skill, provide international language training program to prepare them to avail the opportunities of studying abroad. Proud to be DSVBN.
Excellent hostel, national, international, dining halls, cafeteria, juice center, common facility center, medical center facilities. Proud to be DSV.
At DSVB, students from all over India and many countries study together, learning and growing as one big family. Proud to be DSVBN.
स्वच्छ, हरितिमयुक्त, शांतिपूर्ण, सुंदर, सुरक्षित, पूर्णतः आवासीय परिसर. Proud to be DSVBN.
Unique universities creating brand ambassadors of their Sanskriti. Proud to be DSVBN.
मानव को गढ़ने की टकसाल. Proud to be DSVBN.
A unique establishment to meet the pressing need of a high quality education system based on scientific spirituality and grounded in spiritual lifestyle. Proud to be DSVBN.
विद्यार्थियों के समग्र विकास हेतु योग, यज्ञ, प्रार्थना, ध्यान, स्वाध्याय, सात्विक आहार, मौन, खेलकूद, दैनिक जीवन के अभिन्न अंग उपलब्ध हैं. Proud to be DSVB.
A home away from home where students and faculty members learn to grow together. Proud to be DSVBN.
विविधतापूर्ण संस्कृतियों के पारस्परिक सम्मान के जीवन मूल्यों का अभ्यास करते युवा. Proud to be DSVBN.
A unique global center for multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary research and learning. Proud to be DSVBN.
Global expansion, representing India at WHO, World Health Organization, UNO, United Nations Organization, and UNESCO, United Nations Educational and Scientific Cultural Organization. Proud to be DSVBN.
Unique Center for Complementary and Alternative Medicines, Center for Ayurvedic Studies. Proud to be DSVBN.
A university equipped with excellent world-class infrastructure. Proud to be DSVBN.
Campus situated at the foothills of Great Himalayas in the vicinity of River Ganga, surrounded by lush green Himalayan vegetation. Proud to be DSVBN.
Reviving Gurukul Parampara, a unique confluence of devoted teachers and resolute students in opening new vistas of holistic progress. Proud to be DSVBN.
शारीरिक, मानसिक, सामाजिक एवं आध्यात्मिक स्तर पर विद्यार्थियों के समग्र विकास हेतु अनुकरणीय कार्य संपादित करता अनुपम विश्वविद्यालय. Proud to be DSVBN.
Global expansion, 80+ MOUs, Memorandum of Understanding with world-renowned academy and research institutions for mutual cooperation with faculty and student exchange. Proud to be DSVBN.
Combination of traditional Gurukul style of teaching along with the most modern curricula towards the holistic development of students. Proud to be DSVBN.
A unique university for global, cultural and spiritual renaissance. Proud to be DSVBN.
Excellent campus, health park, healthy medicinal flora, scenic gardens and serene mango gardens. Proud to be DSVBN.
A unique nurture space, dedicated teachers, enthusiastic students, a vibrant ambience. Proud to be DSVBN.
विद्यार्थियों के समग्र विकास हेतु करिकुलर एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर गतिविधियों का अद्भुत संतुलन. Proud to be DSVBN.
Excellent sports facilities, indoor, outdoor playgrounds, gym, variety of sports in campus, training academy, state-of-art cricket academy, teaching centers, judo academy and kusti academy. Proud to be DSVBN.
चरित्र निर्माण, संस्कृति का विकास, क्षमता का अभिवर्धन, सब कुछ एक साथ एक स्थान. Proud to be DSVBN.
Recognized by UGC, accredited by NAC, certified by ISO. Proud to be DSVBN.